Okay.
Okay, hello guys. Mag-pick daw tayo ng aming papaya fruit. First pick. First pick.
Actually second.
Second pick na po to.
The other day we pick one also.
Kaso lang din namin na-videohan. And now, ripe na po to. Next, there's a big one here.
A few more coming.
Ah!
Tandahan ka dyan yung luya sa likod mo.
Yung luya natin.
Right, so yan. Pipick na namin ni Miss Butne yung kanyang second ripe one. And we have plenty more coming soon, you know. So,
And then
it's just the
there's
two
one
of us.
Big one.
Just the two of us, and we have plenty of bunga in just one tree.
So everyday, papaya.
So we're gonna prune some of these first later on. Magbabawas tayo ng bunga para hindi masira. Yes, turn. There you go. Alright.
Nice.
Pick,
And
pick.
also, amoy papaya.
How big? Big is like your face.
Sa mukha ko po.
Okay.
Maniba.
Hinog na yun actually.
Actually, sarap na to.
Ano na yun? Hinog sa puno yung tawag siya. Plenty more coming soon. We have many fruits here around the area. We have mulberries, langka, mangga.
I think yung mulberry bukas magano tayo ulit. Mag-harvest ng mulberry.
Okay. So thank you.
Another fruit shake.
Yes.
Huh? And that's all.
Practice daw siya mag-vlog. Yan. So tawa na lang daw siya. Thank you for
Hindi na
watching.
ako marunong.
Thank you for
Okay,
watching.
thank you for watching. Bye-bye.